I recently tried an under eye mask that left my skin burning, itchy, and super irritated, so your girl decided to make her own as usual. These DIY under eye masks are full of simple, clean ingredients that help to clear dark circles, reduce puffiness, and the appearance of wrinkles. If you're new, welcome to Lotus Flower Life. My name is Michelle. Subscribe and hit the bell for more beauty DIYs. Coffee is a super powerful anti-inflammatory that helps to boost collagen production, it reduces puffiness, it brightens dark circles under the eyes, and did I also mention that it smells delicious? Agar-agar is what we'll be using as our gelling agent, which is a seaweed, and I am sorry if I am basically murdering that word. I don't know how to really say it correctly. I think that's how you say it, but yeah. It's also known as Chinese gelatin. It's amazing because it is very rich in vitamin K, which reduces swelling and protects the collagen in our skin, providing a plumping and smoothing effect, reducing the look of wrinkles, and it also increases moisture retention and makes our skin super soft. Now, it would not be a Lotus Flower Life DIY without a little bit of honey in there, but there's a good reason for that. To help boost the absorption of the other ingredients of the under eye mask, we're going to be adding honey because it is a very gentle and mild AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. Okay, pay close attention to this part because this is very important. As you fill the mold, don't fill it up all the way. Only put 2 teaspoons worth of mask into each section because if you fill it up all the way, it will be way too thick and heavy to stick to your skin and it will completely break apart. So for any of you who do not have a mold, you could still make this easily. Just grab a clean plate and pour the mask into it. We just need a clean flat surface to allow the gelling agent in the mask to set without being too thick. Now, following the directions I shared before, allow it to set for 15 minutes at room temperature, then refrigerate it for up to 3 hours. The next step is super simple. Carve out the shapes, and to ensure that it will stick, I was testing it out on the back of my hand to see if it would fall off. The eye mask is thin enough so it will stay on. You can do this with each one that you carve out because if it will not stick, it won't work. And by the way, you could have fun with this. Cut out any shape that you like. To store the under eye mask, grab some wax paper or parchment paper and use it to store the mask inside of a Ziploc bag and refrigerate it. You'll want to apply this mask on makeup-free, freshly cleansed skin. Be very careful when you're taking it out of the mold though, because I took it out the wrong way and ripped it, but it was still usable. Taking it out long ways will help the mask to stay together, and you want to gingerly, gently take it out. But I feel like that pretty much goes without saying. When you're applying the mask, apply it as close to the lash line as possible. I didn't really do that great of a job of this because I was doing it on camera and I couldn't really see real good, so I had to finesse it when I was off camera to get it a little bit closer. As close to the lash line as possible is best. You want to leave this mask on for it to marinate and for the nutrients to absorb fully into your skin. Y'all, this mask made the skin under my eyes look like they had makeup on. It just looks so bright and smooth, and that was only with one use. And speaking of makeup, they are perfect to use while you're putting on your eye makeup, and they are safe enough to use every single day. My under eyes felt really soft and supple as well. And did I mention that the smell of this mask is absolutely incredible? Like, I probably said that 4 or 5 times, but guys, honestly, it just smells so refreshing. The skin under the eye is very thin. You want to seal in the moisture with a thicker, nourishing eye cream. The one I'm using is by 100% Pure, which also has coffee extract, but you can use any eye cream of your choice. You guys have to try out this eye mask. I way prefer this under eye mask above anything I could buy in the store because it gave me all the benefits I was looking for without any skin irritation. For more beauty DIYs, you guys can check out my homemade face mask for clear, glowing skin. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, I'm sending you all the love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you in the next one.